In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Looker Studio with Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect a Google Sheet to a brand new Looker Studio report, so you can start visualizing your data with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to lookerstudio.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that has access to the sheet you want to use. Using the same account avoids permission issues later. On the home screen, choose Blank Report. Templates are great for inspiration, but a blank report keeps things simple while you're learning and gives you full control over what gets added. A new report will open and you'll be prompted to add data. If you see a panel or a button inviting you to connect data, go ahead and use it. If the prompt is minimized, you can also find the Add Data option in the toolbar. Either way, you're telling Looker Studio, this is where my data lives. From the list of connectors, click Google Sheets. If you're asked to grant permissions, approve access so Looker Studio can read your spreadsheets. This connection is secure and limited to the files you choose. Next, select your spreadsheet. You can scroll the list or use the search bar to find it quickly. For best results, prepare your sheet beforehand. Include a single header row with clear column names, avoid merged cells, and keep each column consistent in data type. Dates should be real date values rather than text. After choosing the file, select the worksheet tab you want to report on. Each tab is treated as its own dataset, so pick the one that contains the metrics you care about. If your workbook has multiple tabs like raw data and summary, connect the tab that's clean and structured. Before finalizing, review the options. Confirm that the first row contains headers, choose whether to include hidden and filtered cells, and check any range settings if you use a named range. If you see a credentials setting, choose the option that matches how you'll share the report. Viewers' credentials require each viewer to have access to the sheet, while owners' credentials let viewers see the data without direct sheet access. When everything looks right, click Add. If a confirmation appears, choose Add to Report. Looker Studio will create the data source and usually drop a default table onto your canvas. From here, you can rename the data source for clarity, verify field types in the data schema if something looks off, and you're ready to build charts, filters, and scorecards powered by your Google Sheet.